Hello, thanks for stopping by. If this is your first time, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you so much for returning. So right now is the time where I should be giving a big shout out to all my sponsors, but I don't have any. But this is where you can come in. Please subscribe to my channel so I can get my numbers up and I can continue making bigger and even better content. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And in the comments below, why don't you shoot me some of your ideas on what videos I can do next. So the reason I'm making this video is because over the years, I've continuously gotten compliments on my skin. How do you look so young? God, you haven't changed in 20 years, and so on and so on. And they're always wondering, what's your secret? Well, I look in the mirror every day and I can see myself aging, okay? But I realize maybe I'm not aging as fast as everyone else. So my secrets are exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. Did I say exfoliate? Yes, exfoliate. This rejuvenates your skin 24/7. Plus, I moisturize, always keep my skin supple, and then I carry a mister around and I mist my face throughout the day. So, with no further ado, let's get into today's video. How to Dermaroll. I'm starting the video out first showing you my skin up close and personal so that you get an idea of what my skin looks like before the Dermaroll session. Disclaimer here, the reason my face is red on one side is because I did that side off camera before doing this side that you're going to see next. And what I'm doing now is disinfecting. Very, very important. After all, these microscopic needles are creating tiny holes in your face. And this is why this treatment is actually so very effective, because these tiny holes that we are creating not only cause your skin to produce collagen, but help skincare products to penetrate deeper into the dermis. That's what we want, folks, when you apply them topically. As well, you should sterilize your rollers before and after use. Don't forget. And not only is this the only exfoliation that I use, there's many other techniques, and I'll be bringing those videos to you very soon. So I'm using light pressure, like 0 to light pressure, because you remember, you're only moving the roller across your skin. You may have noticed some pigmentation spot in the middle of my forehead. Well, between my eyebrows, okay, you see it right there? This is an example of when I got greedy. I did way too many passes. You need to keep it between 5 and 10. And I used way too much pressure. So take it from my scar. Don't be greedy. Less is more. As you can see, I've decided to do one section of my face in full normal speed. So this gives you an idea of the directions you're supposed to be going in. There's 4 directions: up and down, left to right, diagonal, left to right, diagonal, right to left. And you don't want to do any more than 10 passes or use heavy pressure. I can't demand this from you enough. Don't do it. Now for the rest of the sections of my face, I'm speeding up the film because we'll be here all day. I mean, although the entire process doesn't really take that long, I just don't want to bore you guys because you get it. After me showing you one section, you know, at normal speed, you get it. You just do those passes, keep going, choosing all sections of your face. And folks, guess what? You can also use this technique on scars on your body. You can use this technique in your hair, on your scalp for hair growth. I mean, there's just so much that you can do with derma rolling. It's excellent technique. And yes, of course, yes, you can do the lips. So you see me doing the lips, and actually it's something that I have really not done before. So this is my first time testing out the lips. And then with the rollers, I am finishing off doing the cheek and the jawline. Okay, folks, here goes my most unpleasant part of derma rolling, and that is that doggone derma stamp. Holy crap. Woo! That does not feel good. And I've heard that you can get a type of cream that you can, a topical cream you can put on your face that kind of numbs it so it's not so extremely painful, but ooh, it's not cute. Not at all. It's just like, ugh. And to do it under the eyes, which I'm going to attempt to do, oh, that's just straight murder. I mean, you really do need some type of numbing cream. But it does work. I will say it does work. Now that I've completed the derma rolling process, I'm putting on one of my favorite serums. It's from The Ordinary. It's called Buffet, and it's supposed to do magical things to your skin. So it burns, I will tell you that. They normally advise you not to put anything acidic-y or like retin-A or anything like that on your skin because it burns. It's going to be uncomfortable, but I do. Now, lastly, I'm going to show you my face about, I would say it was about 4 or 5 days after the derma rolling. So you could see that my skin did do some peeling, which is always like, yay, because that means I really got in there. So that skin will slough off and it's going to be your nice, young, new layer of skin. So, so there is a little bit of, if you want to call that downtime, you know, you're going to get a little bit of flaking. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. But I wanted to give you guys that look at what it looks like afterwards. And folks, that just does it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tune in for the next one. Thanks for watching.